Hi, good evening, Dikshita. Hello, Dipansh. Hi, Urvija. How are you?
So parallelly, I would like to inform everybody, you all will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming session, you will be able to interact with your mentor freely. Okay. So today, whatsoever you have to ask, and we will be asking from you, you have to just answer in the chat box. So type it in the chat box. How are you all? And parallelly, inform us from which school and city you all are joining us. Good to see Urvija. Good to see Dipansh. Dikshita, please turn on your camera, as we don't allow students to sit with cameras off in our classes. So I'm waiting for your answers, kids. From which school and city you all are joining us?
Okay, so Urvija is joining us from Haldavani. Haldavani.
Haldwani.
Okay.
Haldwani. Very nice, Urvaja. You're joining us from Haldwani. Good to know that. Once I visited that place around Haldwani. I've heard a lot about Haldwani. Okay, so you are from Swasthan Shri Secondary School. Great. And what about others? Depansh, Dikshita, Farhan. Okay, meanwhile, you all are informing us your school and city would like to inform you the flow of the session. You will be going to get to know about certain links, which will be helpful in your course. Then you'll be going to meet your mentor. After that, you'll be going to get to know about your course through short informative PPT and then with the dashboard tool.
Okay, so Farhan is
Yes.
joining us from Bhopal, and Dipansh is from Anand Niketan. From which city, Dipansh? Farhan is from Campion School, Bhopal. Nice, very good. Okay, Dipansh is from Gujarat. Dikshita, we all are waiting for your answers. Dikshita is from Bangalore.
All right, so hope you all are aware that you are in mathematics demo. So type it in the chat box. You have to multiply your current age with number 4. So let's do a little brainstorming. Great, we got so many answers. So Urvija is 44 years old. Dikshita is again 44 years old. Farhan is 52 years old. Great, good to know that. All right, kids. So I hope you are super excited for your demo. as your mentor is noting everything on her mentor tablet. That, oh wow, Dipansha is 48 years old, Atharva is 40 years old. Great. So Megha ma'am, can we have a chat links in the chat box along with the description of the same?
Sure, ma'am. I hope that chat links are visible to each and everyone.
Yes, it is, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay, so as you can see, kids, first link is all about the syllabus link. So if you want to know about the syllabus, just click on this particular link. Payment can be made by this clicking on this particular link. So if you're not enrolling for this batch now, just click on this link, make payment and enroll for this batch quickly. So for the batch details, you have to click on this particular link. In case of the further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. If you find any internet glitch while having this video, we are live on Facebook. So you have just click on this particular link and this link is visible on Facebook as well. So this is all about chat links. I hope I'm clear to each and everyone.
Yeah, so just wanted to inform kids as we are not live on Facebook. So in case you find internet glitch, you can join us back by Zoom only. All right.
So
Great. So I think we have to move on to your mentor now. She's already here with us. She's a wonderful mentor. She's having conceptual clarity. Along with that, she loves to interact kids like you, and her class is super engaging, interesting, along with the seriousness also. So I always love her classes whenever I watch her sessions. So all over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Hello everyone, how are you? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, so students, you can show me a thumbs up if you are audible. Okay, great. So I will be your mentor. My name is Gunjan Jain. From last 10 years, I have been in this education field, teaching you kids like you and some older than you also. So right now I'm from Kota, and I know you people are from different areas. I saw that you were sending somewhere from Bangalore and Bhopal, Gujarat. Okay, that's great. And if I talk about your studies, then we are doing Olympiad preparation. If you are getting scary about what is your Olympiad preparation is all about, it is nothing hard in it. If your basics are clear, then that means basically what we have to do, we have to understand the question. If question is easily understood by you, then you are able to that means if you are able to understand the question, then it will be very easy for you to get to the answer. Basically, I know your basics, your concepts are clear from your schools. The only thing is you have to work on your speed now. Okay, how you will manage to complete that 50 questions of Olympiads or of any other Olympiad, how will you do it in a particular time? So basically, you will learn how to save the time, how to eliminate the options. In your school, you are doing your procedural technique to find the answer, but here you will use your elimination method to find the answer. Okay, it will be very interesting to do the questions. You know how to do it, but now the technique will be different. Okay, so I hope we will all enjoy in the class. You will be very attentive in that, and you will right now you are on mute option, but in class I want everyone to be participating. Right now you can send your answers in the chat, but in the main class you have to send by unmuting yourself. Okay, is it okay, everyone? Okay, that's great. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. So hope you all have understood that Olympiad examinations are not tougher, but yes, little like it seeks your attention, right? So Megha ma'am is here for you for the same, wherein she'll be going to guide you through PPT for your course. Over to you, Megha ma'am. Megha ma'am, you are on mute, please. Yeah,
I'm
just
saying
giving.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm just. You can share the screen, ma'am.
I hope my Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So this is a demo interaction program for grade 6 mathematics. So if I'm talking about Olympiad Success, the Olympiad Success is the largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind. That courses matters. We have providing 8 courses: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grade 2 to grade 12, one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Maths Counts, US Common Core Maths Competition, Maths Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can see the rank holders. These are the kids like you only. So what you want, you just spare 2 hours extra from regular curriculum, because Olympiad examination quite tougher than the regular curriculum. So we providing group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 6:30 to 7:45 with 5 minutes of breaks. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt sessions, and discussions of the previous year papers. You'll get reading material and practice question available on the dashboard of the Olympiad Success. Students will get free access to Olympiad Success platform and the practice topic mock test for both maths and reasoning, having 10 to 15% of these questions. So syllabus is available on this particular link. Fee for this course is rupees 10,036. It is a 40 session course. Payment can be made by using this particular link. This fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year papers, and access of Olympiad Success platform. So what do you all require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop and desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So preparation of Olympiad examination is tougher than the regular exam. So you have to spend 2 hours extra every day to cope up of the curriculum. So live classes will be started from 22nd of August 2024, which is on Thursday. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success had students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about an informative PPT. I believe that I'm getting all of you. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Nava. Please pass on me the host access. You going please transfer the hostship to me.
Yes, sure. Done, ma'am.
In just a moment, and then we are good to go to our dashboard tour. Welcome, Sarah. Good evening. Glad to have you in the demo. All right. Oh, so Sarah, just wanted to inform you one small thing, that you will be on mute in demo session, but in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely. Okay. So if you have any doubt and queries, feel free to drop into the chat box. We're going to answer your each and every query. Right. So I'm moving ahead for the dashboard tour. So students, what you have to do, you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com, and then you'll get this page on your screen, wherein make sure that you enter your correct user details. These are those details which you will get from while enrolling for the particular batch. Okay. So after signing in, you will get your personal details on your screen, wherein check your details. In case you find any error, you can just rectify it over there, and you can just upload it. Yes. So after logging in, you'll get your personal details on your screen. Check your details. In case you find any error, rectify it over there, click on update button. After this, for your material, you have to click on live classes. Select your particular subject and topic, and click on this. You got your material, which is carrying a schedule, holiday calendar, reading material, practice questions, and answer keys. So you can see everything is properly systematic. So schedule will give you the clarity, and that in this session, you're going to cover with specific topic. So you can see after completion of every chapter, there are test discussion rounds. Right? So whenever you attempt your test, your mentor will be there at your back in the test discussion round to make you understand where you have to make mistake and what all things you need to keep in your mind while attempting your Olympiad examinations. All right. So in the end, we do have super sessions also. In super classes, we'll be going to cover previous year papers for your more practice. So in holiday calendar, you'll get to know that you can plan your days accordingly because we have proper festival holidays calendar over here. So here is a reading material. You can see your topics are explained in detail for your clarification. So each and every PDF is downloadable. For that, what you have to do, you have to just click here on the top to click here to download the PDF, and you can download this PDF in your device. So in this way, you have 5 more. So I have shown you 1. So let me take you through the question papers and answer keys for your reference. I'm just opening one set. So question paper is also downloadable. You have to click on the top. You can download it, take out the printout, and then solve it. So you can see the question paper and the level of difficulty of the questions. So these questions are specifically crafted for you for Olympiad examinations. So here are the answer keys. So when you have done your question paper, you can check your answers also, that how you have performed. So parallelly you'll get to know, right? So there are more practice also here for you. So for that, you have to click on worksheet button, select your subject, and you can have access of more worksheets. So click on take exam. I'll show you how you can attempt this worksheet. So make sure that read instructions carefully, then click on start worksheet, select this icon, click on start worksheet, and then you'll get all the questions on your screen. So let's say I've done my question 1, I'm moving on next question. So in case I have doubt in second question, I can mark that question for review also. So reviewing means before submitting my worksheet, I can review that question once again. So let's say I have done with my question 3 and now I want to submit my worksheet. So make sure that you complete all your paper and then submit your worksheet, okay? So I'm just showing it for your reference. That's why I've attempted only 3 questions. So this is second question. So this question I've marked for reviewing once again before submitting. So I will check my question. Now I'm clear with my answer and I'll select my answer and click on next button. Yes. So I'm good to go to submit my worksheet. I've attempted all my questions. So my worksheet is submitted. Now I can see performance also. So that's the best part of the platform, that the moment you submit your worksheet, you can check your performances also parallelly, that there and then only you can practice your chapter once again. So performance, for worksheet performance, you have to click on performance button, select your subject and see. Your performance is here. You can see you have attempted this. I have attempted this worksheet on 14th, that is today. So click on view button. You can see the performance. I've attempted 3 questions wherein 2 are correct, 1 is wrong. Right? So you can check your answers over here also, which is correct answer, which is wrong. All right, students. So this is all about dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt related to the dashboard, drop it in the chat box. I'll be going to answer your each and every query. If there is no doubt, everything is clear, show me thumbs up on the screen. Then we'll good to move ahead for the demo. Farhan, Dipansh, Sara, please turn on your cameras. Okay, Dikshita is having no doubt. Urvija, Sara, Farhan. Okay, great. Dipansh. Great. So type it in the chat box, what are your class days and timings, and then quickly move to the demo. Hurry up. Let me see whether you have seen PPT carefully or not. Type it in the chat box, what are your class days and timings? And then we'll move ahead for your demo. Great. So days are Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. Very good. Great. All right, Gunjan ma'am, I think they are highly excited for the demo, and I'll not take much time now. Over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Yes. So, students, are you ready for the demo? Or should we start with a topic? What topic you feel that it is new to you in this class? In 6th class, which topic you feel that it is new to you that you have not learned in the previous class? That is not linked with your 5th class. Fractions was there in 5th, decimal was there in 5th, which is the new chapter to you that you feel. Okay, Deepansh. Okay. Yes, other students, what you feel? Ratio and proportion. Okay. Correct. Urvija, algebra. Yes. Dikshita, algebra. Correct. Yes. Sarah, what about you? Have you learned all the chapters that you are learning right now in the previous class also? No? Which is the new one? I can see that some of the students I can see, I think they are old faces. I have, right, I have taught them. Is it so? Some of them, Urvija, I think. Farhan, you too? Okay, good. Good to see you all. So in today's class, we are going to learn about algebra only. So have you learned this chapter in your school? Have you taken any introduction about this chapter? What it is, what we do in that? Can you write in the chat what is all about algebra? Hmm? Right now, you are sending your answers to everyone. You have to change the setting and you have to send to me. That means to Gunjan. There is a setting option in the chat. Here it is given to everyone. You are sending your answers to everyone. Please change it and send it to me only, to Gunjan Jain only. Okay? Okay. Yes, Dikshita, it is letters. Okay. Okay. So in the beginning, your Pooja ma'am asked you about a question that you have to multiply your age with 4. Okay. Now, if I don't know your age, then can I get your answer? What will be your answer? No, right? Maybe your age can be 11, your age can be 12, your age can be 13. So if I don't know what is your age, then what I suppose, what is your age? So how can I find it? See, so algebra is used only in these conditions when I do not know something. That means we have to find the values of unknown. Okay. Now, if I say, suppose your age, you are having some age and your age comes out after multiplying by 4, it comes out to be 44. Can I guess your age now? You are giving someone gives the answer that after multiplying my age by 4, the answer is 44. So what is the correct age? Can you find it? I don't know what is your age. If I multiply by 4, I get 44. What is the age? Yes, Sarah correct. Farhan correct. Yes, Dikshita correct. Urvija, Farhan correct. So you are getting your answer as 11, right? So how? That means you have supposed your age as X. So X into 4 is equal to 44. Now you divide it by 44 and you get it 11. That means answer is 11. Algebra is all about this thing. If you are getting this, that what values you have to take it as X, Y, Z, and what you have to frame, then algebra is very easy. Okay, so today in this class, we are going to do the same chapter, that is algebra. Okay, let me share you the screen. Now you will tell me what are your variables. Is it visible? Okay. Wait. Let me show you on full screen. Okay. So we are going to understand about this algebra. That means if you have seen some books of your elder brother, then they are doing by X, Y, Z, whatever is written in this, and you are not able to get what they do. Okay, why they add X plus Y plus Z like that. Okay, so we are also going to learn about that. So what we are going to learn, what is your algebra, what is your variable constant, how you will use a variable in arithmetic properties, how can we use in geometrical shapes, how we will form the algebraic expression, and how we will solve the word problems. Okay. So basically, what is an algebra? It is a branch of mathematics that represents numbers with letters. Okay, suppose some equation is written like that. x plus 3 equal to 30, like this. Whenever we are having such equations or expression in which some letters are also there, some numbers are also there, so that means what we are doing, we are solving algebra. Okay, so here that means these are some letters. You can use A, B, C, D up to Z, but you have to use them in small letters. Mostly you use in small letters. Okay, now these letters are known as your variable. So if I have written this, can you find how many variable are there? Variables means in algebra, you deal with two things. One is your variable and one is your constant. Okay, the things that you already know is known as your constant. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, if it is present, then it is a constant. And any number that is unknown to you, that you don't know, are known as your variable. So you can take, if you don't know, then you can use it like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any letter you can use, but you have to use it in small letters. Now, in this equation, can you tell me what is this X? X is variable or constant? Write it in chat fast. X is a, yes, Urvija, correct. Dikshita, correct. Farhan, correct. Yes. Sarah, correct. Yes. And what is this 3? Can you tell me what is this 3? Constant, correct. Correct, everyone. X is a variable, 3 is a constant. And what about this 30? 30 is also constant. This is also constant. So whenever we are talking about numbers, then it is constant. And when we are talking about any unknown thing, then it is a variable. Okay, clear this thing. Now let me give you some example. Suppose now you have to write this in. Bob cleans the car in a garage shop. For every car he cleans, he charges rupees 5. Express total earning of Bob in terms of variable. Now here suppose for one car he is getting $5. Now how much he will get as a total earning? Can you find it? How much total earning will be there? What question comes in your mind, that also you can write in the chat. Can you find the total earning? If for one car he is getting $5. Hmm? Write down. What is the total earning of Bob? Farhan, correct. Sarah, correct. Yes, write down. Dikshita, Urvija, what will be the total earning? No, Urvija. Now, the question is coming to your mind that, ma'am, you have not told me for that he in a day how many cars he has washed, right? So I'm not able to answer this. So what, let the total cars he washed is X. I don't know what it is. Now, whatever be is X, maybe he has cleaned 5 cars, maybe he has cleaned 10 cars. If he has cleaned 5 cars, then answer will be 5 into 5. If he has washed 10 cars, then answer will be 10 into 5, that is 50. Here it is 25, but I don't know what it is. So I have to let it X. Now, if it is X, then your total earning will come as, what will be the total earning now? Can you tell me? Can you write Dikshita in the chat, or Vija? Now, if he has washed X cars, then what is the total earning? Yes, write it in the chat. If he has washed X cars, then what is the total earning, Dikshita? If he has washed 5 cars, then answer is 5 into 5. That means number number of cars upon into charge, right? For every charge, he is getting 5. But right now, I don't know how many cars he has washed. So I am letting it X. So answer will be 5 into X. Got it? Answer will be 5 into X. 5 into X will be written as 5X. Here, this is changing. Here, number of cars, if it is 10, then answer will be 50. If he has washed 15 cars, then 15 into 5, that is 75. Okay, but I don't know how much it is. So let it be X. So answer will be X into 5. Got it? How to take variable? Those things that you don't know are, you can take it as X and find the answer. Okay, got it? Urvija, Dikshita, Farhan, Sara, correct? Okay, next. Yes. Now, can you tell me, Gargi is 10 years now. Express her age after 12 years. What will be her age after 12 years? First write it. What will be the age after 12 years? Write it in the chat. No, Farhan, after 12 years, not after 120 years or 110. Udvija, correct? After 12 years, you have to find. Farhan, correct. Udvija, correct. Sara, correct. Dikshita, what will be the answer? If right now you are 10-year-old, if right now you are 10 years old, so what will be your age after 12 years? After 12 years only. What you will do? No, Dikshita. See, right now, suppose you are 10 years. After 1 year, what will be your age? Next year. After 1 year, what will be your age? After 1 year only. 1 year, that means you will add 1 in it, you will get 11. They are asking you after 12 years. So what you will do? 10 plus 12, that is equal to 22, correct. So this is 22. Now you have to find after M years, what will be your age? Write down in the chat, everyone. After M years, if Gargi is 10 years now, after M years, what will be the age? After M years. Right now, in place of 12, they are giving you M. How will you write it? No, Dikshita. Farhan, correct. Urvija, correct. Sara, correct. See here, after 1 year, I am writing 10 plus 1. After 12 years, I am writing 10 plus 2. So after M years, how will I write? What will be the pattern? What is changing here? So after M years, I have to write 10 plus M. So this will be 10 plus M years. Is there any problem in this? Dikshita, is it clear? Now, if I ask you after M plus 2 years, then what will be the answer, students? After M plus 2 years, what will be the answer? How will you write? Dikshita, correct? No, you have not used the symbol. Otherwise, in between, what will be the symbol? Yes, write down. After M plus 2 years. I have, yes. Dikshita, correct now. Urvija, write it in the chat. What you will get after M plus 2 years? Sara, correct? So you have to write 10 plus M plus 2, right? We are adding this only. But 10 plus 2 is what? 12. So I can write 12 plus M. Okay, constant, constant you can add, subtract, multiply, divide. Variable, variable. Also you can add, subtract, divide, multiply. Okay? Clear? This thing is clear or not, everyone? Should I move to the next slide? Okay. Now, in arithmetic properties, we will learn some arithmetic properties also. That one is your commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Do you know these properties? Have you learned in the previous classes in your number system also? What is a commutative property? Right? Commutative property means you can change the order. That means A plus B is equals to B plus A. Or if you multiply A into B, that is equals to B into A. That means if you are doing 3 plus 2, you will get answer 5. And if you change the order also, if you are doing 2 plus 3 also, then also you will get the same answer. Okay. In multiplication also, it follows. 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 is the same thing, but it does not follow for subtraction or division, because your answer for 3 minus 5 and 5 minus 3 is different. 3 minus 5, you will get minus 2, but 5 minus 3 is 2 only. So they are not following commutative property. Similarly, 1 by 2 and 2 by 1, that means A divide B is not equal to B divide A. Got it? So it only follows for addition and multiplication. So if two algebras are given, variable x plus y, you have taken two variables, then it is equal to y plus x. Or 3 into x is also equals to x into 3. Both are same thing. Got it? Got it? Now, next. What is your associative property? Associative property means association means making groups. So how can you make the group? If you are having three numbers, 6, 4, 5, you can add these two numbers first and then add the result with the third one. So you will get 15. Or you can do 6, 4, 5. First I am adding these two. I am getting 9 and then I can add with this and I'll get the same answer. I can make another group also like this, that 6 and 5 are added together. You will get 11 and then you can add the result with it. Again, you will get the answer same. That means three friends can be grouped in any form. They will be friends only. So it follows with addition as well as for multiplication. But you will not get the same answer if it is a minus sign here. Okay, or if it is a divide sign here, then you will not get the same answer. So addition and multiplication are commutative in nature. Right now they have shown you a generalized formula for how to write this in addition. Right? This is the addition. Next, how will you write it in multiplication? Like this. Okay, 6 into 5 into 7 if you are doing, then you will get the same answer if you do different groups. Okay, now what is your distributive property? Can you tell me? Have you learned this property in the previous class? Distributive property? 2 into 3 plus 4. They have given you like 2 into 3 plus 4. So according to the board mass, what you will do, you will solve the bracket first. So 3 plus 4 will come as 7. Now 2 into 7 will be, answer will be 14. But you can do like that also, that if 2 into 3 plus 4 is given, then 2 is multiplied with 3 first. So 2 into 3. Then we have a plus sign. And then 2 is multiplied with the inside number. So 2 into 4. This is the property. Now again, you will get the same answer. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So always remember, whenever it is giving like this, A into B plus C. So what you have to do, how will you solve it? A is multiplied with B first, A into B, then plus sign, because here we have plus. Now A is multiplied with C. So A into C. Can you tell me, if I give you a question like 3 into y plus 9, what you will get? Please send me in the chat. Apply the distributive property and send me what you will get after multiplying inside. Please send me after simplification what you will get. Yes, correct, Sasa. Farhan, correct. Dikshita, correct. Urvija, are you there? Okay, so 3 is multiplied with y. So answer is 3y. Then we have plus sign. And 3 is multiplied with 9. So 3 nines are 27. So answer is 3y plus 27. Now what will be the answer if I give you 2 into x plus y plus 3? Can you give me the answer? If nothing is written, that means it is into. Okay. What will be the answer? Now you have to multiply 2 with every number. Write it in the chat. What you will get after multiplying. Sara correct. Farhan correct. Dikshita correct. Very good. 2 is multiplied with first number. So this is 2x plus 2 is multiplied with y. So 2y plus 2 is multiplied with 3. That means it is 2 into 3, 6. Very good. Okay. Next. Now, you have to frame the equation. How will you write it in terms of these? First, I'm telling you. Okay, 8 more than y. How will you write it? More than means plus. So you will write 8 plus y. Can you write the second one in the chat? How will you write? How will you write the second one? Farhan correct, Dikshita correct? Sara, very good. X plus 4, correct. X plus 4 or 4 plus x. Both are correct. Okay, next, write it third one. Decrease x by 20. Write this in the chat. These are English statement. Now you are converting into mathematical statement. Dikshita, not correct. Subtraction, yes, Sara correct. Subtraction does not follow associative property. Farhan correct. Decrease x by 20. You have to decrease x. No, Dikshita. You have to decrease x by 20, not 20 minus x. I'm not decreasing 20. I'm decreasing x. So x I'm decreasing how much? By 20. Okay. So 20 minus x and x minus 20 are not same. So correct answer is x minus 20. Okay. Now 7 less than z. How will you write it? It is given z. It is given z. Yes, Farhan correct. Sarah, check again. Dikshita correct. Sarah, send again. You are sending every time x. That is z minus 7. Okay. Okay. Next. 9 added to the sum of x plus 9. How will you do it? 9 added to the sum of x and 9. No, Farhan. Sum of x and 9. First write this. Okay. Farhan, correct? No, Dikshita. There is no equals to here. Sum of x and 9, then 9 added to it. Yes, Sarah, correct. How will you write sum of x and 9? X plus 9. Okay, sum of x plus 9 is this. 9 added to the, so 9 added to the sum of x plus 9. So this is your answer. Okay, you can write it like, if you are writing 18 plus x also, then also no problem. Otherwise, correct answer is this only. Now, y less than the sum of x and 11. So first write what is sum of x and 11 and then write y less than. How will you write everything? Give me the final answer. Y less than the sum of, in fourth, you have written 7 less than z. In place of z, I have given combination. Y will be come first or sum will come first? Yes. Y will come first or sum will come first? Farhan, correct? When we are writing less than, first answer you have given me 7 less than z. So answer is z minus 7, right? So that means this number will come later. Huh? So that means again less than part will come later. Okay. This will come later. Okay. So x plus 11 minus y. This is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Farhan. Y less than sum of x and 11. Is that clear, students? Okay. Next, 2 times y. How will we write it? 2 times y. 2y. Correct, Farhan. Times means what we have to do? 4 times 8. Yes, Sarah, correct. Yes, Dikshita, correct. 2 times y, 2 into y, or you can write 2y also. Okay. Now, 3 times of a number subtracted from 14. How will you write? 3 times of a number. Now, a number means you can take any variable. Subtracted from 14. Sarah, not correct. Farhan, correct. Dikshita, check again. Dikshita, do it again. Sarah, correct. 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number. So 3 times of x, I'm letting it x, 3x subtracted from 14. From 14, I have to subtract. So 14 minus 3x. Okay. Next, quotient of x by 7. Quotient of x by 7. What is this quotient? This is x by 7, like this. Okay. Question means division, x by 7. Is that okay, students? Okay. Now you can frame the equation if any question comes to you. Okay. Next. Now this is algebra as generalization. That means how you will write these formulas. Okay. Whenever you read any formula, that means you are using algebra only. So that means if you have to represent the diameter, then diameter is what? Do you know what is a diameter? A line that is joining the two boundaries of a circle and it is passing through the center of the circle. Now, we also know that what is the radius? Radius is what? Line joining the center of the circle to any part on the perimeter of the circle or circumference of the circle. So this is R. Now, if I told you that your radius is given as 4, then what is your diameter? Can you find it? What is the diameter? Correct, Farhan. If radius is 4, yes, Dikshita, correct. Okay, other students are not there. So it is 8. So that means what you have done? 2 into R. That means twice of this is your diameter. So we have represented as a general form that whatever be your radius, whatever radius I will give you, you will multiply it by 2. So this G and R both are variable. If R is 4, then answer is 8. If R is 8, then answer is 16. So this is every time this is changing. When whatever number is changing every time, that is your variable. Okay. Next, what will be the perimeter of a square if the side is given as 2 centimeter? Can you find it? What is the perimeter of a square if side is 2 centimeter? Write it in the chat. Correct, Farhan. Dikshita, what is the perimeter of a square if side is 2 centimeter? That means I have given a square and no, Dikshita, this side is 2 centimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means boundary of a square. What is the complete boundary of a square if one side is 2? Correct, Dikshita. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Or what you can say, 2 into 4 or 4 into 2 or 4 into side you are doing. So we are writing this only. P equal to 4 into S. Now what will be the area of a rectangle if length is 2 and breadth is 8? Find the area of a rectangle if length here I have written this 2 and this is 8. Correct. Farhan, Dikshita, both correct. 2 into 8 is 16. So I can write as a generalized form that area is L into B. Now, what is the area of a square if side is 5 centimeter? Area you have to find out. Area of a square whose side is 5 centimeter. Dikshita, correct? Farhan, correct. So area you will find as side into side. If I take side as x, then answer will be x into x. Okay. So when we are dealing in terms of variable, then we are writing it in generalized form. Okay. Now this question about your matchstick. Now can you tell me how many matchsticks will be there in the 5th pattern? This is your first pattern. This is your second. This is your 3rd pattern. Can you tell me how many matchsticks will be there in the 5th pattern? No, Farhan. No, Dikshita. 5th pattern, not 4th pattern. Yes, Dikshita, Farhan, correct. So in the first pattern, I am getting 2 matchsticks. In the second pattern, I am getting 4 matchsticks. In the third, I am getting 6. So that means in the next 4th pattern, I will get 8, right? In the 5th pattern, I will get 10. So every time it is increasing by 2. And if I see here, then it is making table of 2. So this is 2 into 1. This is 2 into 2. This is 2 into 3. This is 2 into 4. This is 2 into 5. So it is making some pattern here. right? Can you tell me how many matchsticks will be there in the mth pattern, M pattern? How will you write it? In the mth pattern, how many number of matchsticks will be there? Write it in the chat. How many number of matchsticks will be there in the mth pattern? In the fifth pattern, you are having 10. So in mth pattern, how much will be there? No, Dikshita. M I have given M. Mth pattern. M pattern. No. Yes, Farhan, correct. See this. M number of pattern. No. See here, in the first pattern, number of matchsticks are 2 into 1. In the second pattern, it is 2 into 2. In the third, it is 2 into 3. So in M pattern, it will be 2 into M. Okay, 2 into M. I am multiplying the number of pattern by 2. Right? So answer will be for mth pattern, it will be 2 into M. Okay, got it? How to generalize the things? Can you tell me now? If I have given this, what will be the pattern at Y? If the series continue like this, then what is the value at Y position? This is at first position. This is second, this is third, this is fourth. So what is the position? What is the value at Y? No, Dikshita. Farhan, correct. What type of pattern is this? This is 4 into 1. This is 4 into 2. This is 4 into 3. This is 4 into 4. So at Y, what will be the answer? 4 into Y. Because here I am multiplying it with this position only. Okay. So answer will be for Y, it is 4 into Y. Got it? So see the pattern and generalize the things. Okay. Next. Yes. Now give me the answer for this. Let Mala's age is right now Z years. What will be her age after 5 years? Or think about you. Your age is Z. What will be your age after 5 years? What you will do to find your age after 5 years? Give me the answer for the second one. Oh, Dikshita, first one is not correct. Farhan, correct. After 5 years. After 5 years, I told you after 1 year, what you will do? In plus 1 you will do. So if right now she is said years, then answer will be Z plus 5. You have to add the number of years. Now what was her age 3 years back? That means before 3 years, how much she was? What is the age? After 3 years back or 3 years before, what is the age? Second. No, Dikshita, Z plus 5, not Z into 5. If you are not writing any symbol, that means it is into. Give me the answer for second. Yes, Farhan, correct. Dikshita, it is asking you 3 years. So answer is Z minus 3, not Z minus 5. Okay. Now, find about this. Mala's grandfather is 6 times her age. Third, Farhan, correct. How will we write? 6 times her age. 6 times her age. Dikshita? What is her age? Yes, correct. Her age is Z. So 6 times Z. We will write as 6 into Z. Correct. Next question. Mala's father is 4 years more than 5 times Mala age. Now in place of Mala age, you have to write Z. How will you write this? You have already framed the equation. Now you can get this. 4 years more. Yes, Farhan, correct. 4 years more than, write this in a bracket. 5 times Mala's age. How will we write 5 times Mala's age? Dikshita. You have to just read the sentence and write it in mathematics. 4 years, 4 more than means plus, 5 times means 5 into, Mala age is what? Z. Okay, so 4 plus 5Z. Dikshita, do you have any doubt in this? Okay, next. Yes, so now give me the answer for this. There is a pattern like this. What will be the number after X? What is the pattern here? What we are doing? Here they are asking you if this is the pattern and next number is somewhere between, here it is X. So what is the next number after that? What you are getting? What is the pattern here? Note, Dikshita. How you are getting the next number? What you are adding, deleting, subtracting, multiplying, what you are getting so that your answer will come. After 3, you are getting 7. After 7, you are getting 11. What pattern you are doing? How you are getting these numbers? Yes, Dikshita, correct. And what is the number before X? Yes, plus 4. So if first number is X, so next number will be after this. What will be the number, Farhan? In the first question, you have to find the next number. In the second question, you have to find its previous number. So this is X plus 4, correct? And what about this? Previous number, second question. Previous number will be what? No, Farhan. About X, not about this number. If the next number is X, then what is the previous number of X? Yes, X minus 4 is correct. What is the second number after X? That means after this, there is some number. And what about this number? Can you tell me? What is this number? Next to it, second number after X. Yes, Dikshita, correct. Farhan, correct. So this is X plus 4. So this is X plus 4 plus 4. That is X plus 8. Correct. Now, what is the 10th number after X? How will you find it? Okay. 10th number after X. Yes, correct, Dikshita and Farhan. So here you have multiplied X plus 4 into 1 you have done. Here, what you have done? X plus 4 into 2, 4 times 2. So in this, you will do X plus 4 into 10. That is X plus 40. That is correct. Very good. Next, can you write the generalized pattern? I have told you this type of question. What will be the generalized rule for this? That means for mth pattern, on the M position or X position, what you will get? On the X position, no, just see what pattern is there. Which type of table is this, Dikshita? On the X position, what is the value? On the X position, what is the value? On the first position, no, Dikshita. What pattern is going? Which type of table is this? Which table? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. No, Dikshita. 8 fours are 32. So for x, it will be, this is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position. So for x position, for first position, I am doing 8 into 1. For second position, 8 into 2. For fourth, 8 into 4. So for x, 8 into x. Okay. This is 8th table. 8 table means 8 into any number. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are. So whatever be the number, whatever you are changing, that is your x. Okay. Any doubt in this? Up to here it is clear? Okay. Next. Yes. Can you write the generalized form for this? If you have to find that what is the correct way to write, to find the number of matchsticks, which option is correct, will give you the correct answer. From the options, you have to tell Dikshita, A, B, C, D, which is the correct one. What is the general rule? That means for first one, you will get the number of matchsticks correct. How many matchsticks are there? 3. How many matchsticks are there? 5. Correct. And how many matchsticks are there here? 7. And then 9. Okay. Now, which formula best represent this? That means if you put x equal to 1, then you will get number of matchsticks 3. In the first, if you put x equal to 2, you will get number of matchsticks as 5. In which formula you will put x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and you will get the correct pattern. 3, 5, 7, 9. You have to check that. In which you will get x equal to 3. Check for first one. Number of matchsticks in which you will put x equal to 1 and you will get answer 3. No, Dikshita. If I put in 4x plus 1, if I put x equal to 1, then it will become 4 into 1 plus 1. That is 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 that is equal to 5. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now check for second. Dikshita, not correct. B is also not correct. 3x plus 1. Now put x equal to 1 plus 1. So it becomes 3 plus 1 equal to 4. But number of matchsticks are 3. If I put x equal to 1, I need 3 for incorrect. Now check for C option, that is 2x plus 1. Now put 2, 1 plus 1. So this is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, now check for other. Are you getting 5 if you put x equal to 2? That means 2x plus 1. In this x, you will put 2 here. Are you getting 5? So 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equals to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Yes, so this is also correct. Now check for x equal to 3. 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Yes, this is also correct. So this is following the correct pattern 2x plus 1. So if there are x pattern here, so your number of matchsticks will be 2x plus 1. Got it? Clear? Up to here, any doubts, students? Okay. So this is all about from my side. I hope the class and what about your algebra is clear to you. Do you have any doubt? You can write it in the chat. Okay. So I'm ending the meeting. If it is all clear, then you can write CC in the chat that all things are clear, crystal clear. Yes, Farhan. Okay, Dikshita. Farhan, you want to say something? Math 6 questions more. Right now, we will do it in the class. Okay? Okay. So bye everyone. Good evening. Good night.